Performing a detailed behavior analysis is crucial to understanding brain-behavior relationship. One of the best ways to evaluate behavior is through careful observations. However, quantifying the observed behavior is time-consuming and challenging. Classical methods of behavioral analysis are not easily quantifiable and are inherently subjective. Recent developments in deep learning, a branch of machine learning and artificial intelligence fields, provide opportunities for automated and objective quantification of images and videos. Here, we present our recently developed methods utilizing deep neural networks to perform detailed behavior analysis in rodents and humans.
The main advantages of this technique are its flexibility and applicability to any imaging data for behavior analysis. The DeepBehavior Toolbox supports single object identification, multi-object detection, and human pose tracking. We also provide the post-processing code in MATLAB for more in-depth kinematic analysis methods.
Begin by setting up TensorBox. Activate the environment, then use GitHub to clone TensorBox and install it on the machine and on additional dependencies. Next, launch the labeling graphical user interface and label at least 600 images from a wide distribution of behavior frames. To label an image, click the top left corner of the object of interest and then the bottom right corner, then make sure that the bounding box captures the entire object. Click Next to move to the next frame. To link the training images to a network hyperparameters file, open overfeet_resume.json in a text editor and replace the file path under train IDL to labels.json. Then add the same file path under test-idl and save.